Hey ladies, it's Wednesday. Charot lang guys! So this is still Reinna. I'm still alive and kicking. And ayun nga, halata naman from my pigtails and from my outfit and from the day itself that I'm going to be Wednesday Addams of the Addams family. This is the other choice from my poll on my Instagram accounts, linked here. Go follow me. Let's go ahead and get started. These are my reference photos. As you can tell naman, maputi si Wednesday Addams because that kid is dead inside. Tinatago sa atin yun ng mga bata tayo, but ngayon na matanda na tayo, alam na natin yun. I know for sure na feel yan ng iba sa atin na I feel so dead inside. Like, for the first step, I'm going to use a primer first. Siyempre, kailangan ko protektahan ng aking skin. Kasi baka mamaya expired na tong face paint na gagamitin ko. Last year ko pa ata kasi ito binili nung Halloween. I don't know if you guys have watched my other videos, but I'm really fond of doing character makeup tutorials or makeup fast-forwarded videos. This is the face paint that I'm going to use. So, nabili ko lang din siya sa Pandayan nung last year, Halloween. I have decided na huwag na masyadong lagyan ng foundation yung white face paint kasi baka mas magmukha siyang skin tone. Ang hinalo kong foundation is yung Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. A technique that I've learned from Glam and Gore when she did, I followed a Chana video. So, sinabi sa kanya ni Made You Look na pagka daw magbe-blend ka ng face paint, so I can't talk and do this at the same time. So, medyo nagbablanko-blanko ko. Pagka daw mag-face paint ka, kailangan daw criss-cross yung pagsaswipe mo nung brush mo para daw full coverage. So, I guess kailangan ko pang maglagay ng isa pang layer ng face paint. Tcharan! So, we're done with the base. I don't know if I look funny or not. So, to set this base, I'm going to use a loose baby powder, such as Johnson's & Johnson's, para puti din yung everything. Panindigan natin yung pagiging maputi natin for tonight. And then, mamayang gabi, nakot ako ng bata. Charot! Wow! Mukha na tayo clown! After setting my face with powder, I'm going to do my kilay. Ayoko maglagay ng glue sa kilay ko. I'm just going to fill in my brows with black eyebrow liner. So before that, I'm going to use this eyebrow liquid liner para lang din magkaroon ako ng guide kung saan ako mag-umpisa and magtatapos. After that, sabi ko nga, gagamit lang ako ng black eyebrow pencil. This was from Colorette, just to fill in the other parts of this brow. So medyo meron pa rin kasing sparse areas. That's why, kailangan pa din natin siyang lagyan. So, after ng kilay, we're going to head over to the eyes. Pwede ka maglagay ng primer if you want. If you're going to do this at a costume party, go right ahead. But I'm going to bed right after this. Si Wednesday Addams, yung original character, wala siyang eyeshadow since she's just a kid. But, syempre, ginawa ng glam version ng mga makeup gurus and other YouTubers. You know naman, creativity strikes, gawa ka sarili mong version. But, ayun nga, they used some black, gray, and violet eyeshadows, shimmery whites, or gray colored eyeshadows. So, doon na umiikot yung, yung mga eyeshadow color nila. Katulad na din sa lips, black or nude. So, for me, I'm going to do a medyo light lang na eyeshadow since wala, hindi gumagana creativity ko right now. I'm just going to use a white eyeshadow. So, gagamit lang ako ng white eyeshadow, then ikakalat ko lang siya sa aking eyelid. After ng base, syempre, lagyan mo na ng crease or ng transition shade yung iyong mata. So, yung mata niya kasi medyo deep set. Basta yung malalim. So, kailangan natin lagyan ng effect or mapalalim yung mata natin. So, what other way to do that is to contour. So, if you also have yung glue, eyelid glue, pwede mo naman gawin yan basta maglalagay ka lang dito. And then, shadean mo lang siya ng color brown or i-contour mo lang siya para mas magmukhang malalim yung mata mo. Hindi ko pa natatry itong makeup look na to and hindi ako nagpa-practice. Kapag gagawa ako ng ganitong video, diretso film agad. So, we'll see kung ano yung mangyayari sa eyes ko. I think I'm going to fake my eyelids for tonight. And medyo dito ko siya, tinaas ko siya ng konti kaysa sa usual. So, ayan siya. Pak! Another tip that I can give you is if gusto mong i-fake yung original crease mo, is you can trace the eye socket of your eyes, syempre. So, yan, pagka dinot-dot mo yan ng eye brush, mafe-feel mo naman yung eye socket mo. So, yun lang din yung susundan mo. So, ayan. So, ako, ganito yung kinalabasan. Maglalagay lang ako ng konting pawing. Since, dun din naman yung ganun yung bet kong eyeshadow look. After mong gumawa ng fake crease, syempre, lalagyan mo na siya ng color on the outer part of the eye. I'm just going to use a dark brown. I'm just using the same brush that I used for my crease. Syempre, dahil nandito naman na din ako, dina-drag down ko lang din yung dark brown shadow sa lower lash line ko. So, manti lang. Since dark naman na din yung eye bags ko, hindi ko na kailangan darken pa yung yung lower lash line. Ayun, take advantage of your eye bags. Then, after this, nilagyan na natin siya ng black eyeshadow dito lang sa part na to ng eyes. So, I think ito lang din yung gagamitin nating brush all throughout the eye makeup. Kasi it's so very versatile. There you go. Medyo tapos na tayo sa eye makeup. And I'll just blend it out or soften it out. So, ganyan. Blend lang using a blending brush, of course. Para hindi masyadong harsh yung eye makeup natin. Isa lang din yung eyeshadow palette na ginamit ko dito, which is the H&M Smoky Essentials eyeshadow palette. So, it's doing a good job right now. Para sa gitnang part, magkaroon naman tayo ng little bit glam and glitter. I'm just going to go with the gray shimmery eyeshadow and pack it on the middle part of my eyes. So, medyo nagre-regret ako sa ginawa ko na yun. Medyo lalagyan ko din siya ng white eyeshadow na ginamit ko kanina as a base. After that, again, blend with your blending brush. Just to highlight the inner corners of the eyes, gagamit tayo ng white eyeshadow, and if hindi mag-work, gagamit tayo ng shimmery black shadow. All black. Oh, yeah. After that, we're going to do eyeliner. So, if you remember the tip that I gave you when I was doing my Veronica Lodge makeup look, before ka mag-go all in dun sa eyeliner mo, pantayin mo muna yung lines ng wings ng eyeliner mo para hindi ka mag-regret sa dulo. So, ayun na nga, tinapos ko na yung eyeliner and then naglagay na rin naman ako ng falsies. So, ang kulang na lang natin is yung ating contour and lips. So, for the contour kasi, ang bala ko sanang gamitin is a gray powder. or a gray eyeshadow or a black eyeshadow para mag-fit in dito sa white base natin using this kind of brush. Then for the blush, I don't think we need one kasi nga dead inside. Medyo pigmented yung eyeshadow natin. That's why kailangan natin maging light-handed since magiging Morticia Addams na din tayo after nito, feeling ko. To blend that out, kung masyado kayo na parami ng lagay, gumamit kayo ng mas malaking brush or ng powder brush and then swipe, swipe. So, ayan. Nakita nyo naman kanina. Sobrang dark niyan kanina. But then, I used this. Medyo nag-lighten up. After ng nose contour natin, sobrang halata. Syempre, hindi pwede mawala yung widow's peak. Widow's peak pa yung tawag doon. Basta yung... So, basta yung nandito sa gitnang part ni Wednesday. So, that's one of her signature features. Kaya kailangan meron tayo doon. I'm going to use this LA Girl gel liner since wala akong face paint na black. So, dahil hindi naman din nakagitna yung hati ng buhok ko, ang gara naman nun kung dito ko ilalagay yung yung widow's peak, but dudugain na lang natin. Sige, go! Go! Parang yung ni Raven ng Teen Titans. After ng everything, we're going to head on over with the lips. I'm going to use this MAC lipstick in the shade Antique, which is a dark brown. Medyo napupunta tayo sa goth look, but I still like it. So, do you think I should go for a lighter lipstick? Comment it down below if you do want a lighter lipstick, but I'm good with this. Minsan lang ako mag-all dark na makeup. So, push na natin to. So, for the end credits! Gusto nyo mangyari para sa makeup look na to or sa makeup tutorial na to. And if you're going to recreate this look for Halloween or kung gusto nyo lang din naman, nabetan nyo lang din naman, don't forget to tag me on my social media here below on their screen. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please do give this a like and hit subscribe on my channel. And don't forget to ring the bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos every week. Don't forget to comment down below what you want me to do next. See you guys on my next video. Bye!